Hi, I'm Rebecca Mansfield with the Hahn University team, and today I'm going to show you how to assemble an HVL 606 guest chair. Your first step will be to unpackage the chair and locate all of the parts and pieces. Start with the seat flipped upside down on a stable surface. Take one of the legs also flipped upside down and align the holes of the leg with the holes on the bottom of the seat. Make sure that the bracket to attach the seat back is towards the back side of the seat. There will be a label on the underside of the chair indicating which end is the front. Insert 4 of your red marking screws into the brackets below the tubes of each leg. Start the screws by hand or using the provided wrench, but do not fully tighten the screws until all parts are loosely assembled. Next, insert your 4 blue marking screws into the holes located in the tube section of the leg frame and start the screws by hand or using the wrench. Flip the chair seat and legs upright and use your remaining 4 red marking screws to fasten the chair back to the brackets at the top of each leg, starting the screws by hand or with the wrench. Ensure that the chair is level and begin to fully tighten the screws with the wrench. If the chair wobbles, loosen the screws, re-level the chair, and then re-tighten the screws. That's all there is to it. I'm Rebecca, and we'll see you next time.